Hello everyone, welcome back to Virtual Classroom. Hope you are all pretty well and doing things very well. Let us get into Class 7 English Unit 1 C Reading. The name of the lesson is The New Blue Dress. Today, let us discuss Unit 1 C Reading The New Blue Dress. What is the name of the title? The name of the title is The New Blue Dress. Let us know more information about the title. Here, how many words do you find in the title? Yes, we can find 4 words. First one is the, second one is new, third one is blue, next one here dress. Understand? How many words do we find? 4. The new blue dress. Yes. Now let us see. Here, the is definite article, new is an adjective, blue is an adjective, dress is a noun. Which type of noun? Common noun. Yes. Here, the. What do we call here? How to pronounce the? Whether it is the or the? Yes, we have to pronounce as the. Before consonant sounds, we have to pronounce the. Before vowel sounds, we have to pronounce the. Here you can find na sound. It is consonant sound. So we have to pronounce as the. The new blue dress. The is a definite article. It refers to particular dress, specific dress. What is the dress here? New blue dress. The new blue dress. Understand? Here the words new and blue, which adds extra information to the noun, that is dress. Understand? The words which describes about a dress, that is noun. Understand? See here, an adjective is a word which qualifies about a noun. Here, what is the noun here? Dress. Now we got to know. So what is the title? Let us know more information about the lesson, the new blue dress. Yes. What do you observe on the slide? Yes, we can observe 2 pictures. The very first picture, it shows us all about classroom scenario. The teacher presented the new blue dress to the little girl who resided in Gates Avenue. The second picture, the new blue dress brought such a prominent change in the little girl's house as well as in Gates Avenue. Now, let us take a look at the glossary which is given in the lesson. First one is pavement. It is a noun which means footpath. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-D, food. The exact pronunciation of the words F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-D, food. Next one, excitement. It is a noun which means strong feeling. Amazed. It is an adjective which means filled with great wonder. Community. It is a noun which means people living in the same locality who are considered as a unit. Organize. Verb. To arrange or to make preparation. Campaigns. Noun. A series of planned activities to do something. Spring. Noun. The season of flower, tender leaves and fruit. Railroad. Noun. Railway line. Dirt. Noun. It means dust. Probably. It is an adverb. Perhaps. Polite. Adjective which means good mannered. Untidy. Adjective. Unclean. Tidy. Adjective. Neat or good looking. eagerly, adverb, anxiously, rushed home, went home quickly, supper, it's a noun which means night meal, watch, observe keenly, fence, it is a noun which means the barrier, deserve, worthy to have. Let us move on to the summary of the lesson, the new blue dress. Gates Avenue was a short street in Cleveland. It was dirty and ugly. It had no pavement, no street lights, and no running water. Dear children, Gates Avenue was a part of the city of Cleveland. At the beginning of the story, it was dirty and ugly. It had no pavement. Pavement means here footpath. No running water facility and no street lights. It was noisy also because of the nearby railway track. People who lived there were very poor. They had not painted their houses for years. People who are residing in the street of Gates Avenue, they had not painted their houses for many years due to lack of awareness. In 1909, during spring season, all other girls of a school near Gates Avenue came in new dresses, but the little girl from Gates Avenue wore the same old dirty dress all winter. She had only one dress. During spring season, here the season mentioned very clearly, that is spring season. In 1909, during spring season, the girls who are living in the Gates Avenue, they came to school new dresses. But what about the little girl? The little girl came to the school with the same dirty dress because she had only one dress. She was always friendly and polite. Her face was dirty. Her hair was untidy. Her teacher took pity on her and she requested the girl to come to school washing her face. Yes, we can understand that she was always very friendly mannered and polite with the classmates, as well as she was very helpful to the teacher. But the main thing here, her face was dirty and her hair was not at all clean. So in this particular aspect, the teacher showed sympathy on the little girl and she requested the little girl to wear or to wash her face. Then she asked the little girl, why don't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? The pretty little girl washed her face but came in dirty dress. So the teacher thought that the girl didn't have another dress. So according to the advice of the teacher, the pretty little girl washed her face, but she didn't clean her dress. She didn't wash her dress because she didn't know how to clean, how to wash. See, the kind-hearted teacher saw the little girl wearing the same dress over months. She understood that the little girl most probably had no other dress to wear. She was kind and sympathetic. The teacher showed sympathy on the little girl. So the teacher presented the new blue dress to the little girl. The girl wore it. She washed her face, combed her hair. She looked very pretty. She began to wash her face and combed her hair, and she became very tidy and clean and very pretty with the new blue dress. Her parents were very happy by looking at the little girl. Mother said that their little girl was very clean. so they too should learn to be clean. She started washing the kitchen. Father repaired the fence. He made a garden, painted the house. The little girl's parents decided to keep the house and the surroundings clean. The girl's mother put a cloth on the kitchen table. She washed the kitchen floor. Her husband repaired the fence. He made a garden with the help of the members of his family. The neighbor also began to clean and paint their houses. The young minister created awareness campaign among the people about cleanliness. See here, with the help of the little girl's new blue dress, the entire family has brought many changes in the house of the little girl. Not only the house of the little girl, but also the houses who are living nearby the house, they also brought many changes. It is all about the new blue dress. In a few months, there were pavements, street lights, and running water in Gates Avenue. At the end of the story, the Gates Avenue had a good pavement, street light on the corner, and running water facility. The houses were painted, and the surroundings were very, very clean and tidy. The new blue the new blue dress brought a significant social change in Gates Avenue. So actually here it is all occurred with the help of the new blue dress. The new blue dress it played a prominent role in bringing the change of the society. So it is all about the new blue dress. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel to encourage me.